Oh, for God's sake.
I'm not sure it's my best move. Hammock in a thunder and lightning storm.
Welcome back. Just been for a quick swim, and yeah, it's like 32 degrees in the Lake District, so full sun, full summer mode. So I'm out with Ron Burgundy tonight. That was a clegg just hit me in the face. Cleggs are heavy. Yeah, it's like 32 degrees in the Lake District, so we've just been for a quick dip in the Duddon River. Now we're going to go hammocking, and this is the chosen spot. Stunning. So I think we're both out in the DD hammocks right by the river, and yeah, it's going to be a good one. I think so.
Got my dad's old Outwell synthetic bag today. It's the lightest, thinnest thing I've got, so fingers crossed I don't cook myself. And well, on the flip side of that, I suppose I hope I'm bloody warm enough, because I haven't brought my underquilt either. Suicide.
Got the old One Tigris Featherlight quilt. See how that goes. Should be decent because it's a bit of a summery sort of quilt. 2 half inflated sleeping pillows, because that's how I roll. And then that should be me really tonight. Just that int grots, because it is red hot. So I'm just going to zip that up because I don't want a hammock full of midges. Look at that, got a bit of sunset. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we're due to have a thunder and lightning storm tonight, so me and Byron were both just going to camp in our hammocks just as they are with no tarp, and both of our missus said, "Are you sure you're going to be alright in all this rain tonight?" Which is due at midnight. Don't know what time it is now, but I reckon we've got a couple of hours of good weather first. It's still red hot. So this is a pretty nifty way of setting your hammock and tarp up. So we have obviously the whoopee slings and the tree straps for the hammock, and then above that we've got a ridge line, which is just basically a bit of paracord, and then on the ridge line we have these, they're called prussics, and then that one's connected to the top of the hammock, so it brings it up off your face, and these are adjustable so you can slide them and they lock in place. And it's the same for the tarp, so you can slide that and it gives it some good tension. So you've just got to divide that evenly over your hammock, and you can get some real good tension on it, as you can see. So that's us fully set up. So a little bit darker green than everything else, but coming into the woods from that side you're on that backdrop, so should be dark enough camo to be stealthy. And I love that DD camo as well. they've got their own pattern snazzy kit. So this is the frontline hammock setup. It's the 3x3 metre fully waterproof tape seams tarp. I've had that for about 4+ years now, maybe 5 years, and it's holding up strong. It's been absolutely battered. I've made shelters and all sorts out of it. And then obviously the DD frontline hammock and underquilt setup blends in nicely. Then Byron's exactly the same, but his is the coyote brown, and again does blend in well against the dark backdrop of the river. Awesome. Oh shit. It's a lively sauce.
It's lively.
Oh baby. Unfortunately, I've got a few midges in tent. Don't know if you can see them, but we're getting absolutely hammered by him outside, so we've come to bed. So I think it's about 11:30 or something, maybe midnight. No rain as yet, but we'll see. So if out crazy happens at night, I'll bring you back. But tomorrow morning we're going to be doing some... Oh, that sounded like thunder. See them midges. Buggers. Yeah, tomorrow morning we're going to be doing some dipping. So we'll bring you back for some water sports action. See you in a bit. Ta-da.
I'm not sure it's my best move. Hammock in a thunder and lightning storm.
Right, sun's out, and with that, so the midges. Good God! Leave no trace. And we'll see you next time. Oh, I might go for a bit of a dip now, actually. We'll see.
See you in a bit.
Ta-da. Right, we're going for a dip. So I feel like it would be irresponsible of me to not give a bit of safety advice on this. So in this really hot weather that we're having, the contrast in temperature between out here and in there can be really dangerous. So if you're jumping in, there's always a potential for cold water shock. So you need to make sure that you get used to the water first and just enjoy. Oh, for God's sake. That's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed it. We will catch you next time. Ta-da! Ta-da!